Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I'm going to talk about the US markets and S&P. Well, as you can see, the US markets was going up and a little bit struggling above here. It went up a little bit. There is a Japanese carry trade failure occurred over here and then it made its way up, made a double tap, and then Trump just came back to its second term presidency. He elected through the November, started its term as a president in the January. As you can see over here, he took the office and then the markets were struggling and then he announced the tariffs. Before he announced the tariffs, he was always talking about that America has to issue tariffs about China and other stuff because our workforce is not in America, in the all other world. So he was always talking about supporting the labor in the US side labor, the jobs, supporting it, and then he issued tariffs. And when he issued tariffs, the American markets was gone down like 21%. It almost in 1.5 month. Well, and then Trump settled back and said, okay, I'm going to issue this side of tariffs, I'm going to this side of tariff, and he made it reasonable tariffs deals, and then the markets was going back to where it was have to be, and then it went up really good, like 43% in 200 days. It may just reconcile itself. There's not much a matter for all. We're just waiting for the reconciliation to be end. Will be go back to its way, and I believe it will be hit to the 7,000. I don't know, maybe in this month, maybe month before after this, but I'm waiting for it to be happen. So it's my opinions about the US market. US market is just waited enough to be gain back its power because it was tired over here and rested well, resting in this price range, and then it will be continue where it was left. We are waiting for an AI rally too, because this price rally will be occur as the AI rally. So we are waiting for it. So this means the Russell, the all US markets is going up right now. Not only the Magnificent 7, Apple, Nvidia, biggest 7 months. Chart going up means that not only the Magnificent 7 is going up, the all US markets are going up. So this is a good sign. This is a healthy sign. We love it. We will look what's going to be happen through here. And right now the American markets, by the way, closed. I'm making just an analysis about it. So gold. Well, the gold went up really good. Well, we are waiting a price increasement trend, and we are waiting a bullish trend in gold because it went really below what was have to be for a long time. As you can see over here, from 2011 to the 2020, also with the 2023, it was at the same price level, like in 12 years. Between that inflation and all of the stuff. So we're waiting for a rally to be came, and it was too cheap. That's the reason we are waiting for a rally to came, and it came. Well, it was above our expectations. I believe it was going to be the 3,500 I mentioned over here, and it went up to the 5,000. Really good rally. Right now gold have to be rested. I don't ever buy gold at the moment because, first of all, as you can see in the daily, this super trend gave us the sell signal. Well, with the sell signal, that means a lot of times, but okay, it gave it over here and over here and over here, but these were not huge sell-offs, but this one was a really huge sell-off compared to this, and this was always a little bit down from here and made indicator to go sell. Little bit down from here, make an indicator to go sell. This is little bit more, but little bit down here, little bit down here. So my opinion about it, there's a Chinese New Year ahead of us in the next week. So Chinese New Year is waiting for us in the ahead, and there's already a selling signal over here. So this price increasement trend is speculative because we were expecting like 300 or 500 and it went to the 4,000, okay, and above it is speculative. Right now, indicators gave just sell to us, and then there's a Chinese New Year trend is waiting ahead of us in the next week. So that affects the gold in a bad way. I mean not the gold, only the gold, the silver, the plat, the other stuffs. So I wouldn't suggest you to buy gold at the moment because price drops will be go more in that. Well, it can be go through like the 4,300. It made a tap over here, but it was that cat bounce, by the way. the price trend will be go down. So I will suggest you to buy the gold at the moment. Just wait for your money. You don't have to always buy gold. You don't always have to buy silver. You don't have to always buy American markets. Well, the American markets gives us opportunity right now, but also not the crypto. Just wait and go for the set as an opportunity to make you gain money. Gold is went up to the 5,500, as you can see over here. It went up to the 5,500, and then it made it like in 2 years. In 2 years, it made up 3x multiplied itself. 3 multiplied itself. So where it will be have to go. It's always overbought, and I wouldn't suggest you to buy it at the moment. And also the trend is going down. So with the silver, the same thing. Silver, I believe it will be go to like the 54, 53 with Chinese New Year event or something like that. In May, in April, it can be go through like the 53. Well, I don't know the exact times. Nobody in the world just knows the exact times. And if they have, they will be an oracle, because this is always a psychology. This is the markets. And if I knew it, I would just open here with the thousands of long positions, thousands of long leverage positions, and I will going to sell through here, and I will be leaving them whenever I want. So nobody knows the exact price in the exact time. Nobody in the world. If someone tells you I know this, I know it, when it was going to which price happened in the which time, he's lying. He's a scammer. Do not believe him. Well, the platinum, same thing. Can we go through like the 1600s? I wouldn't suggest the platinum.